everyone. Hello, beautiful people watching me, beautiful, gorgeous souls that you are, and I really know who you are truly deep down. I see beyond the mask and the veil of physicality, and I appreciate and love physicality as well, and our human bodies. So yeah, in this video I just thought I'd say, like, apart from loving and appreciating you tuning into me, I thought I'd also just make a little video about me. Sometimes, it's been a long road and a hard job sometimes, a hard work to let go of what's dense within me so that I feel better emotionally. Sometimes, I can feel light and happy and joyful and free, and other times I'm feeling like heavy. Just trying to rhyme here a little bit as I make it up on the spot, as I love to do, making little rhymes and songs for my baby. I don't know, I love my family, but I just wanted to be honest and upfront, saying that, like, I'm not always like light and happy and joyful, but I'd like to be living in more constant appreciation, for sure. Living in more constant appreciation, as Abraham say, and more constant lightness too, and joy. I want to get as much joy out of my life as possible, and as much love, moments of love and living in my heart. But it's hard work. It takes a lot of inner work and perseverance to introspect and let go of what I or you, what the person's holding on to, that's making us feel that we're feeling bad because of us rather than the other person. It's always like, it's so easy, it's so automatic and easy to like sort of blame or give out about another person, or to blame them, but there's two ways of blaming. Okay, blame them for our emotions, which is the biggest, probably the worst mistake, or like the biggest mistake, and blame them for the situation is also disempowering, because what's true in both cases is that our thoughts and perception and our beliefs, they have made up our emotions, our reaction to the situation or the person, okay? And what's helped co-create the situation is us, everything we've said and not said, everything we've done and not done. It's our perception coupled with our habits of action and our reactive actions, and even just our actions that didn't help or maybe did help. It's a combination of all of them, all the helpful and not helpful. So when we realise we've had absolute 100% influence and contribution to the situation, then we can start realising where we made mistakes, so to speak, and start making things a lot better. Because if we don't own up or realise we had an influence, then we can't create a much better influence going forward. So this is what helps me in my life. I'm not just like talking stuff in general. I'm talking about me. Like, this is what's helped me and changed me in my life and my challenges and my relationships enormously. Like, even fully, like basically kind of to the fullest extent possible. There's no other greater power or fuller power you can get by taking back your own power, my own power, and doing and saying things differently and feeling differently in the first place to inspire me to act differently. And even still, going back before actions, emotions, there's the thoughts that make the emotions that make the actions. So yeah. Hey Suzanne, you just joined. Yo, loads of love to you. yeah, it's great. So yeah, due to censorship, which I love, it's just absolutely a great thing. People don't get notified, and instead of getting, like, let's say loads of viewers, is get like one or two maybe. But I don't mind, I'll put onto my Odyssey and YouTube as well. But yeah, better go in a second, but just driving. Oops, a diddly. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So yeah, for me, I'm definitely not always light. I go through my challenges, hardships, upsets, like bad feelings, like resentment even. I don't really know how long I hold on to resentment for, but I go through the whole range of emotions and thoughts and feelings, especially emotions. To a certain degree, the thoughts. I've definitely broken the big, huge habit of thought that I inherited from my culture, society, family and country, my parents as well. That's been a big gigantic thing, and most of us don't even know about that, But I have books coming out, like 2 books I'm almost finished. New ones. I already did 2 years ago, but I have 2 new ones that are really good. One of them is like it, and the other one I love it. So the loved one is the the hardest lessons that I've learned, and the best powerful lessons that I've learned to have the most power within us. So yeah, loads of love, Suzanne. Yeah, hello, Solberg. That's beautiful. Love you too. Yeah, you're great. So yeah, I suppose I better go. It's so easy to get distracted. Better go. Loads of love. See you, everybody. I hope you liked the topic. Let us know. Go back and check it. Yeah. All right. See you, everyone. See you, Suzanne. Have a lovely day.